We are going to
Ranch.
Yeah.
Wow.
So nice, Anna. Look at that.
You might fall.
Ala.
He wants to jump.
Ala, he wants to jump, Anna.
Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. So let him rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart.
Do you like this?
Hello sa lahat. So, galing kami na road trip and nabutan na kami ng gabi dito sa Ipasugong, di ba ito lalab?
Pasugong Bukidnon.
And dito na kami nag-dinner sa Cowboy Town. So, dito kasi maraming pwedeng puntahan and naka-decide kami na dito na lang tayo mag-sleep over kasi tomorrow pwede tayong mag-roam around sa area, di ba?
Sa daming tourist spots dito sa location. We asked permission if possible kami mag-overnight sa parking nila. And thankfully, they're just so kind na inalaw nila kami. So,
And okay din dito, di ba Lala? Yung food nila.
oo, sarap ng food nila. From pastries to steaks to
Pasta.
fish. Kompleto lahat.
Oh, pasta. Meron silang coffee.
So if you're traveling to like Malaybalay, to like sa Bukidnon, sobrang very convenient siya to stop over dito. Kasi sa may likod ng area, merong playground. We will show it to you tomorrow.
So it's a big plus, di ba? Merong playground. So tomorrow sa Summit, pagising niya, meron ng playground sa labas. Di ba, Summit? So see you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
I know, see you later kasi we will show them sa park.
Okay.
Ano siya?
Say hi to your ate Shasi and Kuya Thirdy. Hello, Kuya Thirdy.
Oh, okay. Okay, next time, okay? Oh, cute. Spacey Boy is so cute.
Babe.
Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. So let him rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the precious
Hello! Say hi, Summit!
Fresh na kami.
Yeah, so andito na kami sa loob ng van and napili namin dito na parking malapit sa Diyan lang yung CR. So kaya dito namin pinark yung yung sasakyan. So para mas convenient, 'di ba, Lalab?
Naka-shower na din kami lahat.
Oh, nag-CR na kami.
We're all set.
Uy, you're still eating lagi.
And we're
What's
ready.
that?
Biscuit.
Okay.
Can you show them your new skill? Your new skill.
Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance. Ay.
Zahil. What's that? Busy. Hey, babe. Not allowed pa na. Can't eat pa that.
Hello. Sleep na yung mga bata. And tingnan nyo sila. Ganyan sila matulog, guys. Parang frog. Tayo is working.
Hi.
So cute nila, Lalab, no? Parang agad silang position.
Balik din namin.
Good morning! Say good morning, Lalab.
Good morning, guys.
So, Spacey Boy! Magandang umaga. So, Actually, andito na kami sa andito kami sa likod ng Cowboy Town. Kasi medyo mainit pala doon sa pinarka natin, 'di ba, Lalab? Oo, so mainit kanina kaya linipat namin dito kasi maraming puno. Meron silang playhouse.
Ayan, pagising niya, biglang na.
So si Summit andun.
Hindi nakakaintay.
Summit!
Is it there?
Yeah. So si Summit nagpe-play na doon sa nila.
Ay, ayun na yung bird.
Oo. Ayan yung
Hindi na siya nakapaghintay.
Pumasok na siya. Hindi pa open, naglaro na siya, guys.
You wanna go to your kuya?
Ba.
Morning.
Pakita natin yung bago nating Lalab. Yung seat.
Bumili
Yan.
kami ng seat.
Nakabili pala kami ng bagong camping chair.
Oo, kasi mas easier siya i-keep.
At hindi, mas lightweight.
Mas lightweight siya, yeah.
And yung space niya malit lang.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning, Spacey boy.
Uh,
Po. Po.
bu.
What's that? You can hold it. Do you like it?
It looked like sour.
Huh?
Sour.
What do you wanna say, Summit?
Hello, Cowboy Town.
Say
Do-
goodbye, cowboy. Oh, good.
Do you wanna say hi to your ate and your kuya? Sige na, you say na.
Hi, Kuya Ate Shasti. Hi. Hi. Hi, Tata Mia. Hi, Ate Shasti. Hi, Kuya Terdy. Hi,
Mommy.
Mommy.
We are going to
Come here, ranch.
yeah. Let's go.
Want to parachute there.
I feel like he wants to parachute there. He wants to ride a parachute here.
It's very nice, Lalab, the view. First time ko mag-drive sa ganito, parang ang nice ng view. So nice, right sa amin.
May water source dun sa baba.
Wow. Mayroon pala aquarium dito.
Quarry?
Quarry ba? Kukuha ng mga minerals.
Saan?
Sasakyan.
Saan?
Dito, yung part dun, no? Di ba? Kita mo yun. Parang may
Ayan.
Pwede ka kasing maghabal-habal papunta doon kung
Kung gusto niyang pumunta dito and then parang ayaw niyong mag-risk ng sasakyan niyo.
kasi
Kasi
dahil
baka mag-skid or something. Pwede naman habal-habal.
baka sumabit kasi.
Baka sumapit. Pero hindi naman siya no?
Hindi naman masyado. Kaya naman. I think kung kotse kaya naman po.
I mean like hindi
Pipili
siya
ka lang ng
simentado,
daan.
pero-
Pipili ka lang ng daan mo. Para hindi ka
Grabe,
na
ang ganda.
Oh, wow! Wow, wow, wow!
Wow.
So nice, anak! Look at that!
I'm looking at
Do you like it? That view is nice. I think it's worth it. But
I want to a parachute there.
Be here at my shoulder. Be here at my side. Be here when the cold night falls and in the morning light. Be here in the autumn when all the colors call. Be the burning memory of all the summers gone.
I think so.
Grabe yung durian ngayon, no? Season ng durian, kahit saan may durian. Sana always.
Be here every morning.
We're gonna eat durian.
Be the calm I feel.
You're a ship boy.
Be the beauty I behold. All the days I'm here. Be here to remind me of all the goodness I've known. Be the heart that holds on tight. Don't let me let it go. And I hope you never doubt it.
There to the clean one, anak. You're there in the middle.
How can I clear?
Here, oh, here in the middle ba?
Clean one?
Here, in the middle.
Clean one?
Wash your feet. Wash your feet.
So nice of you. Here. Oh, I want to remove my slippers when I go there.
Sweet laugh, big heart. You smile that could light up the dark. Strong faith, close family. Choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met you, something changed in me.
Love you!
Better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room,
Yeah.
life gets a little sweeter. When I
Let's go there. Oh.
Where's the pond? This is not the pond, Papa. What?
I thought it's a lake. It's not a lake, yeah?
Yes, it's big one, no?
Yeah.
Because it's not a lake because it's big. Oh.
Let's go there, Ta, to the house. Let's buy something there.
you moved west towards the city, grew up fast and got a little gritty. We found love, worked hard.
Papa and Kuya is here. Papa and Kuya is back. Let's go get them a towel. Oops.
Ayaw na! Ayaw na!
Gonna guys, take a bath. Let's go, let's go. Let's go get...
Tapos na kaming maligo ni Summit.
There's a horse. Look, there's a horse, Summit. It's a wild horse. Look, look, look. It's a wild horse.
Did you see it?
Five. Oh, shit.
Maybe he's calling someone, anak.
Na siya gatawagon pa.
He's calling his, his girlfriend. Oh, look.
He wants to go out.
He wants to go out, yeah.
Gilokong siya dali.
So, ganda ng view. Yan yung view. May horse anak ko, oh.
He's looking for the cowboy anak for his.
No, he's gonna open. He wants to open it.
Bye.
He wants to open the that he can pass there and go there to his to his family.
Where's his family?
What can you say?
Sobrang ganda ng view.
So, sayang di ba lalab kasi walang overnight dito. Gusto pa naman ni Summit mag-overnight.
Yun lang yung disadvantage guys, bawal mag-stay.
Bawal mag-overnight.
Kasi parang ang daming cows no sa whole area.
Ganyan sana yung view.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda ng view.
Pero yan ba yung naakyat mo? Pampalim hawa ba na?
I'm not sure. Mubo naman na bukid.
Sayang guys. But we're so lucky enough na nag-clearing siya and nakita pa namin yung view. Kasi kanina umuulan.
Ang lakas ng ulan kanina and malakas yung hangin. But good thing yun kasi yun yung hinahanap ko. Gusto kasi ni Summit maligo sa ulan. 'Di ba, Summit? What? Summit, 'di ba you want to take a bath in the rain?
Here comes the other horses.
Other horses? Yeah!
Oy, they want to be together and but there's a gate.
That's why. He wants to go to his
They want to be together. Ay, suko man ang black.
No, they are happy to
See each other.
Yeah. Maybe the black one is a girl
Oh no.
and the brown one is a boy. Oh.
Ayan,
Wild animals, parang nasa safari.
Other horses are coming.
Yeah.
What do you think, Summit? Do you think they miss each other?
Asang knife lalab magkaan kong durian. I'm gonna eat durian.
Pa, can you watch space? You might fall.
Ala.
He wants to jump.
He wants to jump, anak.
He's alone there, Manggod, on the other
cannot
side.
jump, man.
Look. They are helping him.
You want?
Small lang.
Gana.
Just a small one.
Ito nga ta.
Ay, ako.
Sige, para lami. Lami mo na.
You want space? Durian, guys. What?
Eating durian with the view of horses. Horses ba tawag? Baka may ibang tawag dyan.
Anong tawag?
Herd. Si Babay Horse.
Bye, horse. Why are you whispering?
Hey, whispering.
The horse can't hear you.
No, can't hear the horse very far. Summit, si Babay Horse.
Goodbye.
Okay to bye-bye horse and bye-bye view.
May man.
Because it's not a taho.
Natataho? Kasi natataho.
What do you mean?
Bye!
Let's go.
Bye everyone!
Horse!
Bye. Let's go. Let's go sit.
Let's go not sit.
Let's go.
Let's not sit lang.
Space will stay here? Are you gonna stay there? Oh no. Space is so low.
He wants to stay there.